Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about one of the important code smells, that is, method level code smells. We are a small channel and we request your support to grow. Your support is always celebrated, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Basically, method level code smells are broadly categorized into 7 types. 1. Too many parameters. Here method contains a huge number of parameters and it makes it difficult to call and test. 2. Long method. Here the function have grown too large to understand and use. This makes it more difficult to update and test. 3. Excessively long identifiers. Here the variables are named so long that it makes it difficult to read and understand them. 4. Excessively short identifiers. Here the variables are named too short that they don't reveal intent and becomes confusing. So stop using I's and J's in code. 5. Excessive return of data. Giving anything other than what needed is a problem. Here the function returns more than what caller needs. 6. Excessive comments. We know how helpful comments can be, but overdoing anything is bad. So try to put comments inside code but not code inside comments. 7. Excessively long line of code. This happens when a single line of code tries to do a lot. This makes code unreadable and hard to debug. These are the basic function level code smells. Thank you for watching till end. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.